these top 5 books recommendation will literally change the way you start your reading journey as a beginner. So watch till the end to know those 5 books which will literally amaze you. So before beginning, hi, I'm Rakshita and I'm new in this YouTube journey. So please do subscribe if you're new because I'm gonna posting so much of good content as it's my birthday month. Let's go! It's gonna be my birthday month, so I am planning to do a lot of stuff here on this platform. So please show some support and let's get into the video. Let's start with the one that मैंने अपने beginner phase में पढ़ा था and अभी तक नहीं भूल पाई हूँ. The book is called The Archer's Voice. This book by Mia Sheridan, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong. इस बुक के बारे में बोलना भी is so healing. I don't know, I feel it. So this book has around 345 pages. So आप आराम से cover कर सकते हो. And talking about the book itself, so this follows a woman called Bree. So she kind of ऐसा कुछ escape करने के लिए she moves into a town and where she finds archers, very isolated man, उसके खुद के traumas है वगैरह so much. So they kind of, you know, बातों बातों में बहुत कुछ होता है but excluding the romance and all, this book is healing. आपके अंदर के ट्रॉमे को एकदम हील कर देता है. यू फील कि बुक के अंदर जाके एक हाचर को हक कर दो यार, ऐसा फील होता है. यू रियली फील दैट इन योरसेल्फ. सो आई फील दिस बुक विल, इट हैज अ वेरी इजी राइटिंग. मतलब when you read a book बहुत जन को फील होता है कि यार समझ नहीं आ रहा, वर्ड्स क्यों ऐसा है, बट दिस हैज वेरी सिंपल सा, लाइक बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से लिखा है एंड देयर इज नो सो मच ऑफ थिंकिंग कि एक एक लाइन्स के पीछे क्या मतलब है, ऐसा वैसा कुछ नहीं है. सो इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर आई विल रेकमेंड दिस बुक. एंड Goodreads पे भी it has around 4.16 out of 5 which is really good rating. So definitely check out. And coming on my rating, I'll rate it 9 out of 10 for the simplicity it has, for the plot, for the storyline, and the book ये आपके साथ रह जाएगी. So continuing the romance genre, I'm gonna recommend you The Spanish Love Deception. Again, I read it while I was a beginner, so I would also recommend you. This has a enemies to lover trope. So बता रही हूँ मिड है, बहुत ही enemies to lover बहुत ही मिड है because according to me I've read बहुत ही ज़्यादा enemies to lover थिंगी, तो मुझे ये मिड ही लगता है. बट इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग, आपको डायरेक्ट उसमें नहीं घुसना, टू मच ऑफ वाइल्डनेस, टू मच ऑफ डार्कनेस में, सो आई वुड रिकमेंड यू दिस टू स्टार्ट ऑफ स्लो एंड स्टेडी, you know. So this is by Elena Hermes. She is also a Spanish author and she writes these nice, cute little enemies to lovers or romance novels. There are a lot of good novels also. So this storyline is about Kathleen, जिसको अपने सिस्टर के वेडिंग में जाना होता है and she needs a date. So you know, it's cute, very cute romance and nice, like a giggly and there is tension, okay? There is tension between Kathleen and I forgot, I forgot the name, Aaron. Oh my god, between Kathleen and Aaron. बहुत साल हो यार पढ़ के, I need to reread. So about Kathleen and Aaron, tension तो है दोनों के बीच. So इसके around pages है 480. I know a very मोटा book, but अगर आप एक बार ऐसा dive in कर लिया ना, चाट 2 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा. एंड Goodreads में इट हैज अराउंड 3.9-ish 3.7-ish समथिंग रेटिंग, विच इज अ गुड फॉर अ बुक बिकॉज दिस इज अ जेम. मतलब क्योंकि मैंने ये पहली डेज में पहले डेज में पढ़ा था, सो आई स्टिल have a lot of feelings for it. So I'll give it 8 out of 10 and you must read it, guys. if you're looking into something thrillers, if you're looking into something psychological thing, I have the perfect two books for you. These two, The Silent Patient and The Housemaid. I know Housemaid की चर्चा हर जगह है and it deserve. मतलब भाई तुम क्या कर रहे हो यार, ये बुक पढ़ लो. If you're want to explore those psychological thrills की suspense चाहिए, Housemaid पढ़ लो. But if you want more of a plot में Silent Patient पढ़ लो. So talking about The Silent Patient, it's by Alex Michaelides. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. This book will blow your mind. ये अगेन मैंने अपने बिगिनिंग स्टेजेस पे ही पढ़े थे बिगिनिंग स्टेजेस अराउंड. इट हैज़ अराउंड 340 to 350 पेजेस. आराम से पढ़ लोगे, बिकॉज अगेन वेरी सिंपल वर्ड्स, कुछ ज़्यादा ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. The thing that will blow your mind is the last few pages, and it has around 4.5ish rating on Goodreads as well, which is a really good rating. So this is more of a psychological thriller side. You're gonna love this book. You're gonna freaking love this book. My recommendation. So I'll rate it again 9 out of 10. Then comes The Housemaid. इसके बारे में फिल्म भी बन रहा है. I think books over films, movie adaptations जो भी है, books over anything. So this is by Frida McFadden. इसका बहुत सारे she is a author, mostly known for her psychological thrillers and all. She writes amazing psychological books, and उसमें से the best is The Housemaid. So this story follows. इसके बारे में मैंने नहीं बताया ना, स्टोरी के बारे में. you'll know, you just need to. इसका मैं बताती हूँ. So this is Millie. She's the housemaid, and she gets into this rich, like a nanny, like a housemaid, and एक जैसे खुलता है ना पेजेस, ऐसे लगता है. This is like इतना जो स्टार्टिंग के पार्ट्स है ना, it's like, and then literally. So it has more than 340 pages, and Goodreads पे भी इसका rating है 4.26 out of 5, which is amazing rating. And रही बात मेरी, I'll rate it 9.5 out of 10, and both are amazing. You should check these out, guys. So if you love reading short stories, a very healing stories, जिसमें आपको इतना emotionally driven कर देता है कि you itself feel कि मैं इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं. Just kidding, of course I'm not, but this author writes like दिमाग खराब, as in good way, ठीक है, healingly, loneliness को, love को, relationships को, attachments, lot of things, and it is portrayed in a so good way, especially this book. I think I've heard about this author lot of times through celebrities or influencers. It is none other than Haruki Murakami, especially the book Men Without Women. मैंने इनकी कोई और बुक्स ट्राई नहीं की है एज सच, सॉरी, बट मैंने इनके मैन विदाउट वुमेन, ये भी मैंने बहुत ही इनिशियल फेज में पढ़ा था. पहले मुझे समझ नहीं आता था, लिटरली मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, आई एम सेइंग द बुक ऊपर से जाता था, बट लेटर ऑन व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, सी कैन यू सी द नोट्स, I've literally underlined, I've literally talked about my feelings in this book, because again this was my initial phase, so I used to do these all things. But the book na follows 7 independent stories, nothing is connected, but you'll feel that connection, you'll feel that कि हाँ ना, क्योंकि हमारी लाइफ में ना बहुत सारी चीज़ होती है which we you feel it but you don't express it or you don't उतना उसको नजरअंदाज कर देते तुम. वो बहुत ही अच्छे से portray हुआ है. And as the title suggests, Men Without Women, this talks about 7 men who has this encounters with women. So कहीं ना कहीं वो वुमेन से अलोन है, वुमेन से प्यार करते हैं, वुमेन से अटैच्ड है, बट दे कैन नॉट अबाउट देयर वुमेन इन देयर लाइफ एंड हाउ दे फील अबाउट इट. Apart from that, there's so much of going on. You'll feel so good. अब एक स्टोरी के बाद you can take a break. You can read one story, go back to other book, come back, read another story. So you're actually reading 7 books in one book. You know it. So it has around 240 pages, and Goodreads maybe it has more than 3.5, 3.7 rating out of 5, which is a really good rating. And मेरे तरफ से I'll give it 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 because इससे ना मैं बहुत अटैच हो गई थी. आई यूज्ड टू थिंक अबाउट दीज कैरेक्टर्स अ लॉट. आपने कोई मुराकमी की या किसी और ऑथर्स की पढ़ी है एंड यू एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड इट एंड यू वांट मी टू रीड इट, प्लीज बता दो, प्लीज प्लीज. Last but not the least, my current favorite reads that I've read right now is The 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. Hands down the best. This book was so eye-opening. मतलब fiction है, fiction ही है of course, but इसमें ना बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ है ना, you literally, I'm giving a suggestion. You're reading, you read a sentence, oh that literally बाण फेंक के मारता ना, वैसा फील होता है क्योंकि there's so much of lines that you literally feel it in your guts, you literally feel it in your heart, liver, kidney, brain, eyes, जो भी है. Best book if you are somewhere stuck. A beginner ऐसा नहीं बोल, if you're somewhere stuck in your life, it may be relationship, friendship, any ship, read this book and you'll feel so much of better. You'll feel this has around 368 pages and Goodreads maybe it has around 4.10, which is a very good sign. About what the storyline is, this follows a character called Ella. I'm not gonna spoil too much. She's married woman, she's editor of books and जो भी editor है, so उसको एक दिन manuscript मिलता है about the very 13th century का जो एक very how would I say, very a famous love story about Rumi and Shahs of Tabriz. Shams of Tabriz. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing anything wrong in this video. So वो एक खोज पे निकल जाती है. So about finding the author जिसने इनसे इंस्पायर्ड होके, जो रमी एंड शाम्स ऑफ तबरीज से इंस्पायर्ड होके 40 Rules of Love लिखा है. So this is like a whole very nice book. If you're reading this book now, I'm saying I'll rate it 9 out of 10. Very easy to read book. ऐसा नहीं कि इसमें बहुत सारे ऐसा ऊपर से जाने वाले words है. Very easy to read and you can definitely check this out. And that's it for today's video, guys. I'm literally, when it comes to book, I can talk for hours. I can talk about characters, I can talk about कैसे क्या हो रहा है इनके जीवन में, and there are a lot of books that I need to read and talk about itself, and there's a lot of content that I want to post on the YouTube because I'm so excited. So अगर आप पहली बार मुझे देख रहे हो and if you love all the recommendations, so please leave a comment. I won't mind, and also subscribe to my channel because why not? And thank